Neck, right hand is going to be down at your lower back.
So yep.
Up, out, and down.
Down, and then now you go up. So
And that's on the same.
Exhale, good.
So I'll see between each reverse lunge, you're going to drive your knee up. So go from here to here. Here
Oh,
to here.
okay.
Lisa Chandler, you got one more set in you?
Yep.
Love it. 10 on each.
Okay.
Ruth, is this set number 4?
Yes.
Drop your hands down a little lower, Ruth. They should be under your shoulders. Good. Thanks, Caroline. Squeeze the core. Try not to lead going up with your butt.
More?
10 more squats. Yes, ma'am. Take a breath, Caroline, when you're ready. I love your shirt, Caroline. You're back to that alternating bent over row.
Okay.
Forward. Try to keep the elbow in at your side. Better. Still shooting forward a hair. Good. Now, Ashley, try to stand totally upright so that you're not leaning forward into the fridge. Good. And once you hit 15, it'll be back to those plie calf raises.
Yeah, definitely. So